Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. So in this video we'll see how to launch an outbound call campaign using the Rounded app. So for this video it will be only using the Rounded app, but in the next video we'll see how to automate outbound calls using integration like Make or N18. So let's go for this video on the Rounded app. So first you need to go to the campaigns outbound section here and to add a campaign. So you need to click here. So first you need to set up your call campaign. So number here. So in this account I have only one number, so it's quite easy to choose, but of course if you have many numbers you need to choose the right one to perform the call campaign. And you also need to choose the agents, so rounded presentation. So if you have many agents, you should choose the right one to perform the campaign. Then you need to add your phone list, so all the contacts that you want to call for your campaign. So you need to import a CSV file, and there's one rule, I think, it's to have a column named phone number, so it's written here. But don't worry, we provide a CSV template you can download clicking here. So here is the template. As you can see, there's a first column named phone number, so it shouldn't change. And you need to add your all your phone numbers in this format. So here is a mock number, but you can add as many as you want. As you can see also, besides the phone number column, you have two other columns. It's to add personalized variables. There are two there, but you can add as many as you want. And it's to personalize the call. So for example, if I create the variable callee name and I add my name, for example, then you can have personalized call. For example, the agent will start saying, "Hi Jack, I'm the Rounded agent," and blah blah blah. So you can have more personalized calls. So it can be very useful. And there it is. So as you can see, I've personalized my my CSV file with only one line, so my number and my name as a variable. But of course you can add as many numbers as you want and as many variables as you want to get a more personalized outbound calls campaign. And I've uploaded it here, so you need to upload it here. And now you can start your call campaign, but before I advise you to try it. So you can add a number right there in this format and a variable, and you can try it by clicking here, call number. If you're not satisfied, you can save for later here and go on modifying your agents. And if you're ready, you can start your campaign. So start now here, and so start campaign. And as you can see, the agent calls me.
Hi Jacques, welcome to Rounded. Are you ready for your onboarding?
And there it is. So the agent has called me by my name, so it's well personalized. It works well. And during your call campaign or after your call campaign, I advise you to go to the calls section. So here, so you have the dashboard to see if the agent performs well, if there's no mistake. So as you can see, there's the transcript here, and you can see if your campaign is doing well. And that's it. Now you can you know how to perform an outbound call campaign using the Rounded app. I hope it was useful. And in the next video we'll see how to automate your phone calls using integration like Make or N18. So see you soon, and bye.